Hi sweethearts, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to drape a beautiful Kota Saree in a few simple steps. Come, let's get started. Start with the non-pallu end of the saree. Tuck the top edge of the saree starting from your right side and working towards your left, making a full circle around your waist. Ensure the bottom edge of the saree touches the floor or your desired length. Taking the pallu portion and starts making pallu pleats. The pallu adds the elegant look to our drape, so take your time to arrange it in a way that complements your outfit. Opting for a longer pallu can create the illusion of height, making you appear taller. So it's advisable to go with a longer pallu for a more stunning look. Fold the saree at the pallu end and make about 7 to 10 pleats depending on your preference. Gather the fabric into pleats, ensuring they are even in width to create an elegant look. Secure the pleats with a safety pin, making sure they are neatly aligned. Tuck the pleats into the waistband, making sure they are arranged neatly. Carefully tuck the extra fabric without affecting the center pleats. Bring the pillow over your left shoulder and adjust it to your desired length, allowing it to fall gracefully. To achieve neat center pleats at the bottom, simply arrange the pleats and roll them tightly. This technique adds a neat and perfect finish to your drape. If your center pleats are still not perfect, roll them again to achieve a flawless look. Here comes my final outlook, and there you have it, a step-by-step guide to draping a beautiful Kota Saree with perfect pleats. With a little practice, you will master this timeless art form and exude elegance with every step. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more draping tutorials.